present as your lawful husband according to the laws of the Republic of the Philippines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you come to this union of your own free will and with the intention of being forever faithful in marriage to Valrich as long as you shall live?
Yes, Your Honor.
Valrich, do you take Noemi, here present, as your lawful wife according to the laws of the Republic of the Philippines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you come to this union of your own free will and with the intention of forever being faithful in marriage to Noemi as long as you shall live?
Yes, Your Honor.
All of you, please repeat after me. May we have
May we have
one heart and soul
One heart and soul
from this day forward,
from this day forward.
for better or for worse,
For better or for worse.
for richer or poorer,
For richer or poorer.
in sickness and in health,
In sickness and in health.
until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
Family and friends, we are witnesses to the union of two individuals who choose to commit to a life together. Our responsibility as their friends and witnesses is to provide them as a couple with our love, support, and approval. To the principal sponsors, will you affirm and confirm that indeed Noeli and Valrich have expressed their consents to this marriage freely, voluntarily, without force or intimidation?
Yes,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Do you promise to give your support by staying beside them and never leaving them?
Yes,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Thank you. You will now be seated. Ako po ba, singkot sa among mga. Wala naman na, unya pa itong last pa itong mga